Since this morning, hundreds of students have been gathering here. We are right here at the Supreme Court of Bangladesh. They have been asking for the resignation of the Chief Justice of Bangladesh, Obaidul Hasan. And after the pressure built by these gathering students, he eventually resigned. But there are certain bureaucratic processes that takes time, like the government has to approve his resignation and then the president has to sign the resignation later. But the students are saying they don't have time for this. They immediately want his resignation to be accepted. They accuse the Chief Justice of leaning towards Sheikh Hasina and being biased and also awarding sentences that were anti-students. Now the students here, they not only are asking for the resignation of the Chief Justice of India, but they also want the other 6 judges to resign immediately. So what we feel here is that they want a complete overhaul of the state machinery, and also they want a complete political cleanup. And until that is not done, they say that they will continue this revolution, this protest they have started.
So they want a complete political change. Now, with the situation remaining tense, as you just mentioned, will Muhammad Yunus's caretaker government be able to restore law and order anytime soon?
Yeah, well, within the 24 hours of taking oath, he announced the different portfolios for his cabinet. Some more names were also added to the list of those who will be ruling the country through different ministries. But it still feels that when you are moving in the country or in Dhaka, law and order is missing. The police is nowhere to be seen. People are spending sleepless night across the country. They are patrolling their neighborhoods and houses because there are lots of looting and burning down of houses happening in the country. The students have taken the charge of managing the traffic. They are also doing the cleaning in streets. So they seems very, very motivated, and they say that it's their job now to contribute in making a new Bangladesh, and it is their effort, and it's like a new independence to them, and therefore they feel and they say that they are happy to do this state reforms for their country.